can't afford health insurance for our sons or my husband. My husband hasn't seen a doctor in 8 years, and our sons in those 8 years have been to urgent care once or twice, but it is $300 or $400 with each visit. And we really weigh whether or not we need to see a doctor, so a lot of times they'll sit on a couch for a week sick. My husband, it's even worse, he needs a hip replacement, and we have no money or no way to pay for it. I decided it had to be me because I had to stay healthy. We have 2 sons that are college age and attending college, and I have to stay alive and healthy and keep working because I'm the only member in my household that does have a job, and I have to stay healthy. I actually went last week. My son was sick with a very bad cold. Come to find out, he had a sinus infection and needed antibiotics. I thought to myself at the time, I wonder if I could just ask the doctor if he could just write a prescription, even though I'm not ill, for my ill son, because I didn't have and still don't have the $300 or $400 that I'll be making payments on to urgent care. I didn't ask the doctor. I didn't have the nerve. I took him. We, because we work with special needs students on a daily basis, are exposed to diseases of all kinds. We bring that home to our families. Our families get ill, and they can't even afford to go see a doctor. I work with people, co-workers, that can't even afford insurance for themselves, let alone their children. I hear the stories, and they're heartbreaking. They're simply heartbreaking. My co-worker pays her whole paycheck every month of $1,000 and a $550 check for insurance for her family. So every month she pays her paycheck, her whole paycheck, and delivers a $550 check to this district. This is why none of us insure our family members. We need the money for other things such as food and gas, bridge tolls, everything's going up, car insurance. We have to prioritize, and health insurance and health care is unaffordable. It hurts me deeply that I can work in the same classroom with teachers whose children have the privilege of seeing a doctor and my children do not.